All right, once again, we're here at the Miami Barbell Complex, starting with the round of 9 reps. Then they're going to make their way to the next bar, 6 reps of each movement, then 3 of each movement. Start with the hang cleans. They're going to go to the front squats, then into that shoulder to overhead. Saw a lot of teams finish this thing fast in the first heat, Jeremy. We'll see if they'll do the same here.
Great, so it was a 1:45, which is pretty strong for heat number 1. See if anyone can tweak that. Heat number 2.
Wow, 1:45, that's quick.
They did a time tap. 4 rounds. First event on day 2 here on Guadalupe. What a beautiful day we've got here in Miami.
Already got teams making their way to the second barbell here. What a spectacle to see up on the big screen here. All these barbells across the floor. A sour and a spicy here in lane. In the middle lane here, lane number 14. They'll be in the, we'll say, light pink tops. The ladies leading the charge. They got that team in the noble tops right next to them in lane number 15. They'll be your team in lane number 14 running across the line, Jeremy.
RBCF getting over the line. Just outside that 1:45. But a very quick time nonetheless.
So sweet, sour, and spicy. 1:49 for the ladies.
That is super quick time. Number of MCs coming over the line. Go to
Team AB running across the line here, lane number 15. Man, don't blink or you're going to miss it out here.
Scott's Tots. Reaching up that second barbell.
So down on the side, the ladies start off with 115, moving to 125. That final barbell for your scale division females, 135. As I have another team crossing the line here, lane number 8.